Welcome students. In this video we are going to solve sums of exercise 6.1 of chapter 6 linear inequalities of class 11th NCERT. In the previous video we solved sums up to question number 16. We solved question number up to question number 16 and in this video we will solve from question number 17 to 20. So in 17th question we are given 3x minus 2 less than 2x plus 1. We have to solve the inequalities in exercise 17 to 20 and show the graph of the solution in each case on number line. So first of all we will solve the inequality. So here first of all we subtracting 2x from both sides. So what we get? 3x minus 2 minus 2x less than 2x plus 1 minus 2x. So that becomes x minus 2 less than 1. Now adding to both sides, this becomes x minus 2 plus 2 less than 1 plus 2, that is x less than 3. So the solution is x less than 3. Now on number line, how we can show it on number line? First of all we draw the number line and so on, and here also minus 1, minus 2, minus 3 and so on. So x is less than 3. So that means here is 3. So all these values, they denote x less than 3. So here on number line we can show this like this: x is less than 3. So this is the 17th question. Now look at the 18th one. 18th question, 5x minus 3 greater than equal to 3x minus 5. So here subtracting 3x from both sides, what we get? 5x minus 3 minus 3x greater than equal to 3x minus 5 minus 3x. So 2x minus 3 greater than equal to minus 5. Now adding 3 both sides, what we get? 2x minus 3 plus 3 greater than equal to minus 5 plus 3. So this becomes 2x greater than equal to minus 2. Now dividing both sides by 2, we get x greater than equal to minus 1. So this is the solution, and on number line we can again show it. First of all we plot the points. So x is greater than equal to minus 1, so it will start from here, this point, and it will go from minus 1 to right hand side, and minus 1 is included here. So x is greater than equal to minus 1. Now the 19th question. Here 3 bracket 1 minus x less than 2 bracket x plus 4. So first of all we open the bracket. So now adding 3x both sides, we get 3 minus 3x plus 3x less than 2x plus 8 plus 3x. So 3x cancels out, 3 less than 5x plus 8. Now subtracting 8 from both sides, So 3 minus 8 less than 5x plus 8 minus 8. So we get minus 5 less than 5x. So this implies 5x is greater than minus 5. Now on dividing both sides by 5, we get x greater than minus 1. So here again we can plot it on number line. 0, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3 and so on. 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on. So greater than minus 1. So minus 1 is not included. Just this line. This is x greater than minus 1. So here minus 1 will not be included. Now the 20th question. In the 20th question, now we are given this inequality. So first of all, we will take the LCM on right hand side, that is 15, and we multiply it by 5, so 25x minus 10 minus multiplied by 3, 21x, and minus minus plus 9. So we are left with x by 2 greater than equal to 4x minus 1 by 15. Again we multiply both sides by 30. Multiplying both sides by 30, what we get? 15x greater than equal to 8x minus 2. So subtracting 8x from both sides, what we get? 15 minus 8 is 7x greater than equal to minus 2. So dividing by 7 both sides, what we get? X greater than equal to minus 2 by 7. We can again recheck it. Here x by 2 greater than equal to, what we get here? 5 and 3, LCM of 5 and 3 is 15. So here we were left with 25x minus 10 minus 21x plus 9. 25 minus 21 is 4x minus 1 upon 15. Multiplying both sides by 30, what we get? 15x greater than equal to 8x minus 2. Now subtracting 8x, 7x greater than equal to minus 2, and on dividing by 7 we get x greater than equal to minus 2 by 7. So now we plot it on the number line. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on, and minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4 and so on. Now minus 2 by 7, it lies between 0 and minus 1, maybe somewhere here. So it is greater than equal to minus 2 by 7. So value from minus 2 by 7 and greater than minus 2 by 7. Minus 2 by 7 is included. So this is the required graph. So this completes the 20th question. If you find this video useful, please subscribe my channel and like and share this video. Thank you.